Biology, Botany Part 1. Chapter 1. Biology and its major fields of specialization. Lecture by Mr. Amir Zareen. Biology. Biology is a term which is composed of two Latin words, bios, which means life, and logos, which means reasoning or knowledge. Biology is defined as branch of science which deals with the study of living things, or branch of science which deals with the study of the life. Who are biologists? The experts who study living part of the nature. They study the non-living things, surroundings which affect the living things. They study how the life works. What is life? Life is a set of characters that distinguish living organisms from non-living things or dead organisms. Characters of life. Living organisms are organized and complex bodies. They are composed of single cell or more than one cell, that is unicellular or multicellular. They contain genetic material, that is DNA. They can get and utilize energy. They can carry out and control chemical reactions, that is metabolism. They can grow in size. They can maintain homeostasis, that is constant internal environment. They can reproduce, that is produce offspring of their own type. They can respond to the changes in their environment. Branches of biology. Biology is divided into various branches. Some important branches are as follows. Morphology, study of form and structure of living things with naked eye or with the help of microscope. Anatomy, study of internal organs of dissected organism. Histology, microscopic study of tissues of an organism. Cell biology or cytology, study of structure and functioning of living cells. Physiology, study of normal functioning of various parts of organisms. Paleontology, study of fossils. Fossils are remains or impressions of living organisms preserved in the rocks. Paleontology has two branches. Paleobotany, study of plant fossils, and paleozoology, study of animal fossils. Genetics, study of hereditary characters transmitted from parents to their offspring. Taxonomy, deals with the naming and classification of organisms. Embryology, study of development of an organism from zygote. Zygote is a fertilized egg. Evolution, study of ancestral history of living organisms, or study of process in which one kind of an organism give rise to another kind of organism with the passage of time. Zoogeography, study of distribution of animals in nature or on earth. There are some other important branches of biology which are as follows. Biotechnology, environmental biology or ecology. Microbiology, aquatic biology, which includes marine and freshwater biology too. Parasitology, pathology, molecular biology, social biology, human biology, and this list can be extended. Bioelements. The elements which occur in a particular organism are called bioelements. There are more than 92 natural elements and only 16 are used in forming the chemical compounds from which living organisms are made. These 16 elements and a few others in an organism are the bioelements. Bioelements are of the two types. Number 1, major bioelements. These are required in higher amount. For example, oxygen, that is 65%, carbon, that is 18%, hydrogen, that is 10%, nitrogen, that is 3%, calcium, that is 2%, and phosphorus, that is 1%. Minor bioelements. These are required in smaller amounts. Examples are about 1%. All of the minor bioelements are included. Bioelements in human body. In the human body, 6 bioelements are 95% of the total mass. These are called major elements. Other bioelements, which are about 1% and are called as the minor and the trace elements. Major bioelements, that is oxygen, as already mentioned here, that 65%, hydrogen, that is 10%, calcium 2%, carbon 18%, nitrogen 3%, and phosphorus 1%. Like this, minor bioelements which are in trace form, these are potassium 0.35%, sulfur 0.25%, chlorine 0.15%, sodium 0.15%, magnesium 0.05%, iron 0.004%, and the total is 1% approximately. Trace bioelements. Copper, manganese, zinc, and iodine are in traces which are found in the living organisms. What are the properties of bioelements? The bioelements have special properties which make them suitable for life. These are present in all the organisms. And number 3, the properties differ from those occurring in non-living world.